Hey, welcome back Bellaras. Today, I'm so excited to kick off this special video series where I'll be diving deep into natural ingredients that have been used for generations to enhance skin health and beauty. The best part is that most of these ingredients are sitting right in your kitchen. That's right. I believe skincare should be simple, natural, and accessible to everyone. I've always been fascinated by how basic, everyday elements can work wonders for our skin without the need for harsh chemicals or expensive products. Each week, we'll zoom in on one incredible ingredient, exploring its benefit, how it works, and easy ways you can incorporate it into your routine. Trust me, these tips will have you wondering why you didn't try them sooner. In this first episode, we're starting with one of my personal favorites. Rice powder. Rice powder has been a beauty secret in many cultures for centuries. Whether you're looking to brighten your skin, control oil, or gently exfoliate, rice powder might just become your new best friend. Keep watching until the end to learn 3 simple ways you can use rice powder to get the most out of it. So without further ado, let's get started. Rice powder isn't just for cooking, it's a skincare powerhouse. Let's talk benefits. First, it brightens the skin. Rice powder is rich in antioxidants and amino acids that works wonder to lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. Second, it controls oil. It's great for oily skin because it absorbs excess oil, leaving your face feeling fresh and matte. Third, it exfoliates gently. The fine texture of rice powder makes it a natural, gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells without causing irritation. Sounds amazing, right? Now let's get practical. There are so many ways to use rice powder for your skin. Here are my top 3 favorite methods. First, in brightening face mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of rice powder with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and a few drops of honey. Apply it to your face and leave it for 15 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water for an instant glow. Second, as an exfoliating scrub. Combine 1 tablespoon of rice powder with 1 teaspoon of sugar and your favorite oil to form a paste. Gently scrub your face in circular motions for a few minutes, then rinse. Third, as an oil control setting powder. You can use rice powder on its own as a natural setting powder for your makeup. It keeps your skin oil-free and smooth throughout the day. If you're loving the benefits of rice powder, be sure to check out my DIY mask video using rice powder linked above. Before you rush to try these recipes, here are some must-know tips to make the most of rice powder. Number 1, always use fine rice powder to avoid irritating your skin. Number 2, do a patch test first to ensure you're not allergic. Better safe than sorry. 3, pair rice powder with a hydrating ingredient like aloe vera or yogurt to balance its slightly drying nature. Lastly, after using rice powder masks, always wear sunscreen if you're stepping outside. The gentle exfoliation can make your skin more sensitive to UV rays. So there you have it. A complete guide to using rice powder in your skincare routine. Who knew something so simple could be so effective? Rice powder isn't just a kitchen ingredient. It's your ticket to a brighter, smoother, and healthier skin. Next time, we'll talk about yogurt and its amazing benefits for your skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments how you use rice powder in your beauty routine. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay glowing. Bye!